guys, welcome back to my channel. We are now heading to Canary Wharf Pier and we'll be exploring the area around it, and then we'll be heading to North Greenwich to visit O2 Arena, the Millennium Dome. Let's start our tour. We are on our way to board the boat. The boat time is around 1:22, so we have to wait a little and then we will be going to Canary Wharf. Here come the overboard. Fortunately, we got the seats at the rear end. Boat has left the pier, and now we'll be going to Canary Wharf. London's skies are completely covered with the clouds. You can see such a dark clouds. Our boat is leaving behind the Greenwich Pier, and hopefully within few minutes we'll be at Canary Wharf Pier. The journey along the River Thames is scenic and iconic, offering unique panoramic views of London's famous landmarks. It is a chance to relax on water, on an exciting way to experience the city at a different pace. We have reached Canary Wharf. We will be exploring the area around the pier, and then we will be heading to North Greenwich again, and we will be visiting the O2 Arena and shopping mall. We are at Canary Wharf. So we have reached Canary Wharf. Now we will explore this area. Canary Wharf is a major financial and business district located on the Isle of Dogs in East London. Once a bustling port and a central part of London's historic docklands, it has been transformed into one of the city's three main business hubs alongside the City of London and West End. The area that is now Canary Wharf was originally part of West India Docks, which were the busiest shipping ports in the world during the 19th and early 20th centuries. The name Canary Wharf comes from the trade with the Canary Islands, where fruit ships would unload their cargo after World War II. The docks declined due to the containerization and the area became derelict. In the 1980s, a massive urban regeneration project began, transforming the wasteland into the financial center it is today. The development was led by Canadian company Olympia and York, and the first major skyscraper, One Canada Square, was completed in 1991. With its distinctive pyramid-shaped roof, it became an iconic part of London's skyline and was the UK's tallest building for 2 decades. Today, Canary Wharf is a global financial center and a hub for major national and international banks, financial institutions, and professional services firms. Children are not willing to spend more time here, so now we are heading to the pier so that we can catch the boat and go to North Greenwich and go to O2 Arena. People are taking the Tester high speed boat ride on the River Thames. They charge £72 for two people. This high speed boat offers 20 minutes ride in the River Thames. This boat ride between Embankment and Tower Dock Pier. Canary Wharf is a financial district in London, England, situated on the Isle of Dogs in the London borough of Tower Hamlets. It is considered part of London's central business district along with the City of London. This district hosts the headquarters of several national and international banks and companies and features numerous high rise buildings, including One Canada Square, which is the third tallest skyscraper in the UK. The Uber boat service operates from Canary Wharf Pier, offering a scenic commute to various stops along the Thames, including Greenwich and central London. Wow, what a lovely ship passing by. The River Thames has shaped London's history for thousands of years. It was the site of the Roman settlement of Londinium and became London's main thoroughfare in the Middle Ages, with London Bridge as the city's only crossing. During the Industrial Revolution, the Thames became the world's busiest port. Massive docks were built in the East End to handle global trade. However, the docks declined after World War II and closed in the 1980s. Today, the Thames has been transformed. The former docklands are now the site of the financial district of Canary Wharf. The river itself is primarily used for leisure tourism and as a commuter route. We have reached the North Greenwich Pier. You can see in the sky that's the Emirates cable car. Now we will be walking towards the O2 Arena. The Emirates cable car was designed to connect the Greenwich Peninsula with the Royal Docks, providing a new transport link and a scenic experience. It connects the O2 Arena, formerly the Millennium Dome, on the south side with the Excel Exhibition Center on the north side. वो देख कितना अच्छा मॉन्यूमेंट बना है.
Why are you scared, Arish? Why?
O2 की रूफ टॉप क्लाइंबिंग का भी होता है. हाँ, but there is an adventure, but they say that you should be 18, I think. Look at the aerial view of Millennium Dome, the O2 Arena. Restaurants. The O2 Arena and the Millennium Dome are the same structure, but at different points in its history. The venue was originally built as a Millennium Dome and was later redeveloped into O2 Arena. The O2 is a major entertainment and leisure complex located on the Greenwich Peninsula in London, while the name O2 Arena is often used for the entire complex. It specifically refers to the 20,000 seat indoor arena at its center. It is today the world's most successful entertainment venue, hosting a wide range of events. It is a prime venue for major international music artists, sports, and shows. Up at the O2, an exhilarating climbing experience that takes you on a walkway over the dome roof, offering 360-degree views of the London's skyline. The entertainment district housed around 30 bars and restaurants. Retail area with more than 60 designer and high street brands. The complex also houses a cinema, a bowling alley, a trampoline park, and indoor skydiving.
I'll text the अब Arish. Oh, चलो बोलना. I'll text the बोलना.
Street Bakaba, Golden Ram say. Diesel Grill. Jimmy's. Sunny World. आएंगे चल लैंडोस पे होना चाहिए मेरे साथ बड़ा बड़ा लिखा हुआ भी होता है देख क्या लिखा हुआ भी होता है अगर होता तो
We are searching for good halal food. The slim chicken is also halal, but we are in search of some Arabic kind of food if we can
तो ये
find.
आज के इटालियन जो है ना ये भी क्या पता हो कोई लेबनीज फूड मिल जाए लेबनीज फूड नहीं ये स्कारलेट चिप्टो
I will steal their phone.
हाँ ये भी हलाल है ये भी हलाल है जर्मन डोनर नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ जर्मन डोनर हलाल ये
German Doner Kebab is also a halal restaurant. They also offer good sandwiches.
बड़ा बड़ा ये हलाल है ये हलाल है ये कैसे पता है ये लिखा है इतना बड़ा
After having lunch, now we will be exploring the mall. This is the kids play area. You can see the wall climbing and other sports activities for the children. Major brands are housed here. You can see Tommy Hilfiger on our right.
उनको बोलता हूँ नेक्स्ट से आगे बढ़ जाते
तो हम ऊपर फ्लोर पे हो नीचे हैं
हाँ वही ना
तो आगे बढ़ के क्या करेंगे
Mint is a lovely dessert shop. They also serve halal dessert, and they also have vegan option as well.
वाह Moss Bros. Hot chocolate. Hallmark. Clarence.
Pound 99
ये प्रो कुक की शॉप है समर से ये बर्तनों की शॉप
Pro Cook sells good quality kitchenware.
अब ये देखें जो ऊपर का लेवल है ना इसमें डिवाइस भी है A6 भी है, क्लियर्स है, वेट फोर्ड है.
वो वहाँ से नीचे उतर जाएगा. नहीं होंगे ना. नेक्स्ट है ही लोअर लेवल पे.
जून लंदन A6.
O2 has a lovely ambience. We are really enjoying it.
Alice, don't do this.
That's an Indian food truck. You can see Nike and Adidas stores at the ground floor.
नीचे देखते हुए चलते जाए, क्या पता चल जाए. मिनट शॉप यहाँ पे भी है.
The second one is the free one.
वो तो सब जगह ही होगा.
And this one is
हाँ. यहाँ पे देख वॉशरूम कहीं है, यहाँ पे कहीं वॉशरूम है.
चलो वॉशरूम तो बाद में देख लेंगे. अभी वो इमरजेंसी वाली पेटी नहीं है.
अच्छा, जा तो नीचे ही रहे हैं.
ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं है.
चलो. Here next. रशिया की बहन ने पूरा मॉल कवर कर लिया.
आरिस इधर आओ. आरिस कम हियर.
There isn't any.
बेटा वहाँ पे बहुत सारी राइड्स होंगी.
It's only Lego.
You will have a lot of
It's only Lego. No, it isn't. There are like roller coasters over there. Yeah, but they're not going to be good.
हाँ मैं कह रहा हूँ डिवाइस ऊपर है, अगर आपने जाना हो तो. टेंट देखिए से शेयर्स देखें का है.
Are you gonna see? I'm kidding, Aris. I will never do that. I will never do that to you, Aris, because I love you. I love you, Aris. Aris? Wait, you ran for so long and back this one. Give me that. I said no, not now.
Okay.
So, guys, this was our tour to O2 Arena, and now we will be going to Westminster Pier, and then we'll be heading back to hotel, which will be uploaded in the next vlog. I hope you will have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can see future notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.